Welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're making my mom and grandmother's favorite Chicken Napolitano. And here's my mama. Beautiful. Say hi to the folks, mama. All right, she's going to show us how to make this awesome dish. Let's get started.
All right, let's eat. Let's go. All right, we got our chicken, well, one of them cut up anyway. I'm going to do this one right here. I'm using a bread knife because it saws right through the bone.
Oh yeah, beautiful. All right, ready to cook these birds.
Now that's a load of chicken, man.
It is, man.
And make sure you clean your hands after you touch all this chicken.
Yes, sir. All right, mama.
I'm going to put one chicken in here.
Now you season it with salt and pepper.
Okay, we're going to salt our chicken. Big piece of chicken breast. Going to need a little extra. Because you got the tomatoes in there going.
Okay, now what you do, you gotta cut the potatoes.
I'm going to put some pepper on there.
Oh, that's too much.
Got away from me.
Easy on the pepper. Right, Mom?
Yeah, easy on, the any pepper and oregano.
Right.
Because it'll overpower your chicken.
Right. Okay. Okay. Very good.
Next.
Mom.
Okay, next. Okay, cut your potatoes.
Should I put no?
Well, we're gonna
Yeah,
make
we're
another
gonna.
pan, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a
so
few more in
You gotta
there.
give it enough to.
Do I need to chop it or can I just smash it up?
No. Oh, the garlic?
Yeah.
Chop it up.
You're gonna make your
Make
work.
my job harder. Is that good, Mom? For that one?
That's
Yeah?
good.
Okay.
All right, put a little parsley on the potatoes.
On the potatoes?
All right. Put it in between so you have enough, understand?
Oh yeah, you want to put the potatoes in between the chicken, right?
I don't need a spoon. I use my hands.
Yeah. Put the potatoes down.
Is he doing it right, Mom?
Yes.
Okay.
Wise ass.
All right.
He started it. Well, you didn't
Oh,
tell
you
me
can't
that.
put the peas on top of the potatoes?
Just push it over,
The
whatever.
peas in there now?
Yes.
Okay. It goes on one side?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's
Here.
what I'm
There you
trying
go.
to tell
Right here.
All right, now add your peas
Okay.
in there. Right. Just gotta get the. Give it there.
What's next? I know onions.
Yeah, onions and garlic.
Onions and garlic I put in there already.
Oh, over the chicken.
Oh, okay.
Here's
That
some
you can put like little pieces.
I'm going to cut up an onion here.
So, Mom, whose recipe was this? Was this Grandma's recipe?
Grandma.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that was Grandma's recipe.
You haven't eaten yet.
how you doing, Jono?
What you do is, listen,
You said oregano? Put oregano first or no?
put the sauce first.
Okay.
Doesn't really matter. But
I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze these
tomato, oh, all right.
in my hand.
Yeah. All right.
That's it, Mom.
Yeah.
All right.
But did this chicken have a lot of fat on it? By the
I
way?
took off the, I
All
took
right.
most of it off.
So now get a little of the oil.
Olive oil?
What did I say? Vinegar? I didn't mean vinegar.
No, you said oil.
You said oil.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the oil.
Tell me when.
Just all over. Okay.
Beautiful, man.
Leave it on the
This
side.
thing on. Okay, what's next?
Put your basil on it.
The whole leaves or break them up?
Break it up. You can put your tomatoes in between the chicken, like I said before.
Okay.
If you have a little spoon. Yeah,
Is that enough basil?
yeah, that's plenty.
Okay. All right, what's next?
Okay, what did I just say?
We need oregano, we need
Some
cheese.
cheese. Put cheese.
And oregano too?
Yeah. Over the peas too. What's this thing here?
Is that enough?
Say when, Mama.
Okay,
That's good.
fine.
Oregano? Okay. Cheese?
Yes, the cheese.
Oh yeah, I hate cheese.
Good?
Yeah. You put it some of the onion
Onions? Yeah.
on the peas.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
put onions on the
All
peas
right,
too.
fine.
Little parsley?
Little parsley.
Oh, beautiful Italian parsley. Okay.
What you do is you have to add a little water now
Okay.
to the pan.
Okay.
Yes, put it in between. No, that's not too much. Because the tomatoes and that will make color.
Oh,
We may have to add even more water later as it's cooking. So
Okay.
you watch it.
all right, we're ready to pop this in the oven
Let's do it.
because I'm freaking starving to death over here. Because the cameraman's slow. All right, we're gonna take out the chicken and turn the peas and potatoes a little bit. Mom told me to do that, so I gotta listen to Mom.
Of course.
Listen to Mom.
And you just
See
wanna.
how much liquid is on the bottom.
Okay, can you see? I think there's enough.
Yeah, you could use a little more.
Right now? You know what? Here,
Are you going to turn to pieces?
I'm gonna salt and pepper the potatoes, and
Yeah.
I didn't do
every season.
it before. Give me.
More oil.
More oil? Okay. Mom says add a little more oil to.
Can't get enough of that oil, that's for sure. Just olive oil.
Also, too, it'll make the chicken and skin brown really well.
Oh yeah,
You know.
that's what we want.
All right, we're gonna throw this back in the oven. All right, I got some homemade key lime pie here. I made early this morning in my house, and it's been chilling in Paul's refrigerator. We did this at Daddy Jack's for about 30 years, and I'm gonna make some fresh whipped cream to go on top. It's
All
gonna
right,
be good.
let's
And
do it.
we're also gonna do this recipe. I don't know, maybe a week or two.
Oh,
But we'll do it.
All right.
All you need is whipping cream and a little bit of sugar and a mixer. Is this on low? All right, our whipped cream is ready. Look at that.
Look at that, that's beautiful.
Oh, baby.
Honestly, folks, this is one of the best key lime I have ever eaten. This is nice. Soon.
How's that?
All right.
How's that for perfection?
Beautiful. Very good.
Perfect.
All right.
Dessert. All right, here we go.
Oh, beautiful.
Our chicken
Look
is
at
ready.
that. We went ahead and put it on broil. for about 5 minutes just to get the top of that chicken nice and crispy. Look at that. Oh yeah.
And the next tray is going in.
All right. Yeah, one's never enough for us. You know that, folks.
Put that
All
on
right.
5.
All right, let's eat.
Oh,
Mom, come make the salad. Mom is going to make our salad.
good. That comes out fast, Mom. Okay, that's good. Some,
No, she don't put pepper on
some,
the
you
salad.
don't put pepper in your salad?
No. This is what the oil.
Olive oil.
You want me to do it? You can't
Yeah.
hold it.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Say when, Mom.
okay. Wait, then if we need more, we'll put
Okay.
more. Just the vinegar.
And some red wine vinegar.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Put your thumb over the top there.
Oh, yeah.
You want to tell me how to make salad now? Huh?
This is Mom's recipe, right, Mom?
I know.
Oh, actually, grandma's.
Grandma's recipe, yeah.
Right.
And we got some beautiful spring mix with some onions in there. And I thought I saw tomatoes in
There's
here
it,
somewhere.
there.
There they are. Up.
All right, you know what? Do
What, Mom?
put a little more, before you, yeah,
It needs more vinegar.
a little more oil.
And a little more salt maybe too. You don't want to use too much vinegar.
No.
Okay, go ahead. Oh. All right.
That good, Mom?
You put the
I
vinegar?
did already, yeah. I'm
Oh,
going to put a little more salt in it.
okay.
Definitely needs it.
Just turn it, and that's it. There's your salad.
All right. We're ready to eat. Let's go get it to the table, everybody. All right, we're gonna test this chicken out, Mama. How did it come out?
It's
delicious.
Very juicy too, even a big piece of breast.
Wow, look at that.
Me and you, we don't get breast. That's all we got left for us.
We got another pan cooking.
Yeah, well, that's not going to be ready for another hour.
Say hi, Jono.
Hi.
All right.
Here, Dad. Get some peas and potatoes, Dad.
Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. We're gonna dig into this wonderful meal. We'll see you next time. Take care.
Delicious.
All right.